Good morning and Assalamu alaikum class. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and having a very good day. Today is 8th of November 2024 and today is Friday. And I am your science teacher and we all know that we are doing unit number 3, keeping warm. Okay, in the last lesson we are doing the topic that is conducting heat. What is the topic? The topic is conducting heat. Conducting heat means that there must be some substance through which the heat can be passed. So, the substance through which this heat can be passed are called what? Ji Abdul Hadi. Can you please tell me? What is that substance called? Yes, the substance are called conductor. So, the substance through which the electricity as well as the heat can pass are called conductors, and if we are only concerned with the heat, which type of the substance then it is? Have you any idea? No? If we are only concerned with the heat, that substance are called thermal conductors. Yes or no? Okay, good. It means that the thermal is used for the word heat. Okay. So the substance through which the heat can pass are called thermal conductors or not? Good. It means that in the same way, if we are discussing about the second term that we have done is the insulator. So can anybody tell me what is insulator? Ji Ibrahim Gilani. Excellent. Insulators are those substances through which heat and electricity cannot pass. Good. So if I will say that I am only talking about the heat, the insulators through which the heat cannot pass, क्या होगा? Ji Hamza? Good. Excellent. That means that substance is called thermal insulator. Good. It means that the substance through which the heat cannot pass is called thermal insulator. The substance through which the heat can pass and heat cannot pass. Okay? If the heat can pass through the substance, that is called thermal conductor, and if the heat cannot pass through the substance, then it is called thermal insulator. Good. Okay, we have discussed some examples. Examples of it or not? If we talk about the thermal conductors, which is a good example of the thermal conductor? Ji Ayan? Yes, good. It is metal. All the type of the metals are the good thermal conductors through which the heat can easily pass. And if we talk about the thermal insulator, we have discussed one example in detail. What is the example and the substance you also having in your with you in the school? Good. The flasks or the thermos that we are having. So we can say that is a vacuum flask through which the heat cannot pass. Okay. What is the construction of the vacuum flask? Can anybody tell? Ji Ubaid Rahman. Yes, good. It means that in a vacuum flask there are the two jugs. It is the internal structure of the vacuum flask. There are the two jugs. This is the first jug, and this is the second jug which is present. And between these two jugs there is the, what is present in between the two jugs? Ji Musa. Yes, good. There is air or vacuum in it. The vacuum and the air will not allow the heat to pass and do not allow the heat to escape from that container. Okay, so we can say that through the air the heat cannot pass easily. Okay, have you understand? This is the recap that we have done in the last lesson. So our unit number 3 is completed, and now we will do its fill in the blanks and the true false. That will be your homework, and the questions answer I have given you with the lectures and with the video lessons that you have to do in your notebooks, and then you have to do the fill in the blanks and true false. So we are doing the fill in the blanks of this unit. As you all know that we do the fill in the blanks in the class, but I will not fill the blanks. You have to fill by your own thoughts कि उस blank में क्या आना चाहिए. Okay, we have done all the topics about this chapter. Keeping warm. Dash is a measure of how hot or cold things are. Number 2 is a dash measures temperature. Number 3 is dash conductors allow heat to travel through them easily and quickly. Okay. 4th one is dash insulator slows the movement of heat. 5th one is first of all I will write all the fill in blanks, then I will explain it. You will get the idea which word can fit in this blank. Okay. Dash are good thermal conductors. Number 6 is dash is a good thermal insulators. Thick fabrics fabrics trap air. Number 7 is dash is a comfortable room temperature. Okay, these are the fill in the blanks. The last one is not in a straight line. Second last is not in a straight line. I will write it in a proper way. Dash is a comfortable room temperature. Number 8 is normal body temperature is 37 degree. Dash or dash. Okay, these are the fill in the blanks. Okay, I will read it and I will explain a little bit, then you will understand what all these statements means. Dash is a measure of how hot or the cold things are. There is something that can measure the hotness and the coldness of the things. Okay. The second one is a dash can measure the temperature. Which things can measure the temperature? You can understand, you can remember it, we have done in the class. Then the third one is dash conductors allow heat to travel through them easily and quickly. We have discussed in this video as well as in the previous video that there are the conductors that can only allow the heat to travel. Okay, so that type of the conductors are called what? You have to write down the word in the blank. Okay, the fourth one is dash insulator can slows the movement of heat. वो इंसुलेटर आपने मेंशन करने हैं जिसमें the movement of the heat is very slow. And the fifth one is the dash are good thermal conductor. Yeah, here you have to fit the example of it. Which is the good thermal conductor. कोई भी आप यहाँ पे example लिख सकते हो. Okay. And we have also discussed in the lesson. And number 6 is dash is a good thermal insulators. Insulator कौन सा good thermal insulator है that we can use it and we can use it in our daily life or the routine. Dash is a comfortable room temperature. When we have to live in the room or we have to sit in the room, that must be a comfortable temperature, so that the room should not be so much hot or the cold. Okay, you have to write down the temperature here. Number 8 is the normal body temperature is dash or dash. We in our body there is the normal temperature. You have to write down the temperature in the centigrade as well as in Fahrenheit. Okay. Now the next exercise is the true false. After doing the fill in the blanks, you have to do true false. Okay. This all work you have to done in your notebook. When you will come back to the school, all the work should be in your notebooks. Okay, the first one is the sense of over your body. The sense of the touch is found all over your body. Number 2 is you have to write whether it is correct or not. A thermometer cannot measure light. Number 3. Thermometers must be handled with care. Fourth one is there is only one type of thermometer. Number 5 is thermal means to do with heat. Number 6 is vacuum flask is a good insulator. Number 7 is Kelvin and Rankine are units of temperature. Okay, these are the true false of this chapter. Okay, I am explaining all these true false. You have to write down whether the statement is true. You have to write down T. If the statement is false, you have to write down F. The sense of touch is found all over your body. Sense of touch आपकी पूरी body में मौजूद होता है. Is it true or the false? A thermometer cannot measure light. Thermometer light measure नहीं करता. Thermometer must be handled with the care. हमें thermometer को बहुत आराम तरीके से, बहुत अच्छे तरीके से उसको हैंडल करना पड़ता है. Because some thermometers are very delicate. They are made up of glass. So we have to handle with the care or not. There is only one type of thermometer. If you remember that we have done in the class, there are we have discussed or not. You may know that there are one type or the many types of the thermometer. Thermo means to do with heat. Sixth one is vacuum flask is a good insulator. Vacuum flask is a good insulator or not? Insulator means the substance through which the heat cannot pass. Is it a good insulator or not? Okay, the last one is Kelvin and Rankine are the units of temperature. Are both of them are the units of temperature or not? You have to tell while writing T or F. Okay, these are the homework questions. Fill in the blanks as well as true false of this chapter. Keeping warm, I hope so. The whole chapter is clear to you, and if you have any problem with it, You can ask when you will come, and you can share the questions and discuss with me or with your teacher. Okay, and I hope you all are fine in your at your home, and please don't try to go outside without any reason because of the weather condition. So it's all from my side. Allah Hafiz.